So 8th class, today we are going to revise for first of all the format of diary entry, right? So let us start for the format of the diary entry. So focusing towards the board. Yes. For diary entry, how you will start? You will start first of all.
Date.
Yes, you will write down day, date, and time. Okay, and then dear diary.
Time में आगे नहीं आएगा.
You can write down in any way. Okay, both can be correct. Right? So dear diary, here you will start with an expression. Start with an expression. What kind of expression? For example,
Expression.
what a wonderful day it was. How sad
What a
the
wonderful
day was.
day.
Okay, what an exciting day it was. I was so amazed throughout the day. Means various type of expressions can be used according to the mood of the topic that you are going to write. Then afterwards you will elaborate and explain your emotions. Okay, suppose you have been selected as the head boy of the school. So what will be your emotion? So it was really a very surprising day for me, or how surprising the day was. Okay, as I was elected as the head boy of the school after passing through a series of interviews. Okay, so then you will explain. Okay, then how it all happened. Okay, when the day I completely remember, I clearly remember the day when my name was nominated by my class teacher for the head boy, for the post of the head boy. Actually, I was underestimating myself. I was not, you can say, considering myself to be capable to fit this, you can say, post. But my teacher, she instilled confidence in me and ultimately told me that I can do. And she has told me to prepare a speech. And I'm really thankful to my parents also, who has helped me to prepare an effective speech. And my teacher, or my, you can say, my teachers, they have also helped me how to deliver an effective speech. And the moment when I delivered it in front of the principal ma'am, or in the office, it was really, and you can say, it was really, and you can say, overwhelming with, you can say, happiness. Okay, I knew that I knew that I had hit the target. Okay, because my performance was really well. And and finally, in the last period of the day, when my name was announced, or I was informed that I have been selected as the head boy of the school, my happiness knew no bounds. I was greatly thankful to God also for giving me this post. I have learned a number of, I would come to learn number of, you can say, good qualities like dedication towards work, how to be self-confident, and I will deliver my duties very well. Okay, so you will elaborate your emotions. Whatever you feel, you should not write bluff, write only what you are feeling. And ultimately you will conclude. How you will conclude? How you will conclude then? That now it's getting late, my mother is calling me, or I'm feeling sleepy, talk to you later. And then here your name. You will write down your name also.
Ma'am, can we write in single paragraph the
Yes,
diary
you
entry?
can write it in single paragraph, use various kind of sentences, short and long sentences. But the diary entry is all, of course, a short description. Okay, you don't write too long in order you think that I will write a complete long page so that I can get marks. No, diary entry is short and concise, right? Okay, so I hope that now diary entry is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
मुझे तुम्हारी कॉपी चेक तो नहीं मिली.
I will send. Okay, so next afterwards, today let us go towards the practice of determiners. Okay, so determiners, I'm writing few sentences on the board. You will give me the answers. For example, first one is dash students were in the class.
Ma'am, actually the board is not
Much
visible.
students were in
Just
the
a
Yes,
moment,
class.
please. Let me take it fixed once a moment.
Yes. Yes.
So now, see, the students were in the
Many
class.
students were in the class.
Few
Many
students were
students
in the class.
A few students were in the class. For example, there is
मैम much आ सकता है?
no much, because much is used for quantity. Here they are countable ones, students.
Quantity होता
No,
है.
much
Ma'am, we
cannot
have to
be
write.
used. Much
Ma'am,
cannot.
can we write few?
Okay.
Can
Few
we write
students
what?
were in the class. Few.
Then few.
Few. Yes, few can be there. Okay. So there is dash danger of food. Yes, what can be here?
There is a
much
little
danger of food.
danger of food.
There is much danger
There
of food.
is
There is a danger of food, right? Okay, so it can be there. Yes. Dash things of goodness do a lot. Yes.
Many things of goodness.
Many things.
Few things of goodness.
Some
few.
things or few things of goodness can do a lot. Okay. There is not dash butter.
Much butter.
Okay, there is not much butter in the pot, right? So next, for example, dash of the boys agree with me. What will be the answer?
Few of the boys agree with me.
Few of the boys, some of the boys agree with me, right?
Either आ सकता है, either of the boys.
What?
Either.
Ma'am, he said either of the boys
Either,
agree
yes,
with me is
either of the
also
boys agree. Neither of the boys is appropriate if we see the sense. Okay.
Ma'am, yes.
Dash people
Yes.
were going to the fair.
Many people.
Many people
people.
were going to the fair. Okay. There were not dash benches in the class.
Much benches.
Much what?
Enough.
There
Enough.
were not many
Enough,
benches
not
in the
many,
class.
not enough. Okay.
Enough.
Okay. Next, dash day, she visits India Gate.
That day.
That
This
day
day.
she visits India Gate. Next, there is dash milk in dash glass. There is dash milk
A little milk.
dash the glass. There is
Some milk.
a little
milk
milk
in
sorry,
the
in
glass.
the glass. Okay, I have already written it. Next simple one. He was dash friend.
His.
A friend.
He was his friend.
He was.
He's थोड़ा
He was his
a
friend,
friend.
right? He was my friend, right? Okay, possessive determiners, right? Okay, so
Ma'am, his can be there.
his can also be there.
He
Yes,
was
his
his
can be
friend.
also right. Okay, his can also be right. Okay, so next afterwards, some more examples for you. Dash mangoes are sweet.
These mangoes are sweet.
These mangoes
Some
are
mangoes.
okay. Okay, put dash bread on the table.
Put this bread.
Put
We
that
eat,
bread
we
on the
shall
table.
This
need dash more. Now speak out the answer.
put this bread on the table.
Hmm.
A little more.
We shall need a little more. Okay, we shall need some more. Put the bread is also right. Put the bread on the table. We shall need some more. Okay. Can you give me dash information?
Some
Some information.
information. A little information.
Okay, some information. Okay. He was dash great thinker
He was a
and
great
He
thinker.
was a
And-
great thinker.
dash
A great
politician. He was dash great thinker and dash politician.
He was a great thinker and a politician.
He was a great thinker and a politician, right?
Politician.
Okay. He is dash engineer.
He is an
He
engineer.
is
He is
engineer.
he's an engineer.
An
Let me, I have
engineer.
unmuted you twice. Let me unmute you again. I don't know why. Okay. So next afterwards we have, is there dash message for me?
Is there any message?
Is
There
there
is
any
any-
message
Any
for
message?
is there any
for me?
message for
Me.
Have you done dash sums?
These sums.
Have you done these sums?
These sums.
Okay. Next,
A little.
a dash can change the complete scenario.
A word can.
Very good. A word can change the complete scenario. Very good.
Ma'am, the word आ सकता है?
No, no,
The
no,
word.
not the word. It will be a word. He has dash work to do.
Some work
He
to
has
do.
much work to do.
A
He
little
has
work to
much
do.
work to do. Next, Mahesh goes to dash school daily.
To the
To
school.
the school.
Why
To
the
the school.
why the school? Tell me why the school? Here we are talking about a particular school. He can be going to any school. So it is not necessary that every time dash is given, there can be article. There cannot be any article, no article in this case. Okay. Next,
Okay.
there is,
Ma'am, board is not clear.
now just see,
Ma'am, board is
Ma'am, much आ
There is
सकता है,
much
much water
water
in
in
the
the
there
jug.
is much water, there is a little water is right. Ram goes to temple dash Sunday.
Every.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday. Okay. What is the dash news? You remember I told you late, later, latest. Okay. Latest news.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Dash country is India and we live and we love it.
Our country is India.
Very good.
Our country is
is
India.
and we love it. He devoted
Love
dash
it.
time to his studies. He devoted dash time
He
to
Much
devoted
time.
much time.
he
much
devoted
time.
much time to his studies. Very good. Next, dash boy who is playing is my brother.
That
Ma'am,
boy.
can you repeat?
That boy,
That
boy is
boy.
also right. Okay,
The
the boy
boy.
is also right. Why? Because here we are talking about a particular boy,
Specific
referring
boy.
to that boy who is playing. Dash dog is a faithful animal.
The dog.
A dog.
Dog.
Why the dog? Because now it is referring to a complete class. What dash beautiful flower?
What
What
a beautiful
a beautiful
flower.
Yes, it means a and an. It can be used in case of exclamatory sentences also. Dash headmaster is on leave today.
The headmaster.
This
But
that
here we are
headmaster.
talking about that headmaster who is on leave today. Dash earth is round.
The
The earth is
Earth
round.
The earth is round. Why we have used the? Because the earth
Because
Universe.
is
that's a
one of
particular
a kind,
thing.
okay? Things of universe. Mahesh is dash one-eyed person.
the
Mahesh is a one-eyed person.
Because with
The-
one we use right. He is dash MLA.
He is an
He is
MLA.
an MLA.
An MLA, very good. Ram bought dash ox from a fair.
Ram bought a ox.
A ox or
An-
an ox?
An ox.
An ox.
An ox.
An ox.
Jakarta
An ox.
is dash capital
An
of Indonesia. Jakarta is dash capital of
Jakarta is the
capital of Indonesia.
Jakarta is
Is the capital of Indonesia. Next, dash person who came to see me today is my uncle.
That person.
Right. Okay. Next, dash person who writes books is called an author.
The
Right.
person.
Dash rich should help the poor.
rich.
The rich should help the
The
poor.
rich.
Why the rich?
A
No, the rich. Because here the rich is representing the complete class. Okay.
Whole class.
Okay.
Dash water in this stream is very cold.
That-
The water.
The water.
Ram drives car 60 miles dash hour.
Drives car
60 miles
an hour.
an hour. He's
An
dash
hour.
best boy in the class.
He is the best boy in the class.
He is the best boy in the class. Now let us come towards prepositions. So I will ask some of the prepositions and you will give me the answers. When I was dash Hisar, he was dash Mumbai.
When I was in the
In at Usar.
Yes, at Hisar. Why? When we are talking about a small place at, and then he was in Mumbai, because Mumbai is the largest city. So this is the reason why in is used. He was killed dash the robber dash a hatchet. He was killed dash the robber.
Please repeat the question.
He was killed dash the robber.
By the
By
robber.
the robber.
By the robber. Okay. Dash last month. I have seen him once.
In last month.
No. Why in? During. During is the right answer. How many stations can you get dash your radio? Yes. How many stations dash you get? Sorry. How many stations can you get dash your radio?
Until your radio.
On your radio.
On your radio.
On your radio.
On your radio.
Yes. Is he fit dash this job?
At this job.
For this
On.
job. What happened to your prepositions? Okay.
upon.
For this job. I inquired dash his health.
Ma'am, please repeat.
I
For his
inquired
health.
dash his health.
For his help.
About his health, of his health. Next, a thief broke dash a shop. What can be the answer?
And
Thief.
please repeat the question.
A thief broke dash the shop. What? A thief broke where? Direction. Remember preposition of direction.
At the shop.
No, at, no.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the thief no towards this.
Into the shop. Into the shop. Okay, actually these prepositions are of little bit higher level that I'm asking you. I was just checking out that how you people are doing. So one or two I will ask you again. He has been unwell dash last night.
And please repeat the question.
He has been,
Ma'am, your voice is not audible.
he has been unwell dash last night. Since, right? Since is the answer. Okay. So these are the prepositions that we have to do. Tomorrow we will also again continue with the prepositions. Okay.